guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiona, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I go from this to this. So if you guys want to see how I get my hair to look cute and curly, make sure you stay till the end of this video because I will be showing you guys how I do it. This one's for all my curly girls and guys out there who are struggling with dry, damaged, unhealthy hair. For everyone who's looking for some good new hair products to use, or for those of you who just want to see my curly hair routine, this one is for you. So make sure you stay till the end of this video because I will be showing you guys all the products that I use in my hair, basically how I wash and style my hair, and at the end of this video I will share a few little tips that helped me really grow out my hair and make my hair look a lot healthier. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so let me show you guys what we are currently working with. Oh! As you guys can see, this is not cute. It's looking super dry, damaged, unhealthy. Honestly, the curls are not defined. I honestly look like a lion, and I would not wear my hair out like this. It's just not looking cute right now. So you guys are probably thinking, what the hell went wrong with her hair? So let me give you guys a quick little backstory on my hair. So my hair has always been pretty thin. I was told that my grandma on my father's side always had very thin and not a lot of hair, so that's probably where I got it from. There's really nothing I can do about it. So my hair has always been really thin and kind of dry. So a few months ago I decided to dye my dark hair this lighter color, and we also added some highlights. I don't know if you guys can see it. The lady who did it for me, shout out to her, she did an amazing job. I'll tag her Instagram right here. She warned me that dyeing my hair this lighter color would result in damage and that I could possibly lose some of my curls, and let me tell you, she was right. My hair definitely got damaged. She warned me that this would happen, but I decided to still do it because I really wanted some change. And don't get me wrong, I don't regret it. I love my new hair color. My hair has been dark for a few years now, so I really wanted to change, and I think she did an amazing job. But by dyeing my hair this color, my already dry hair became even more dry and damaged. So I went on Instagram right away and I asked you guys, please send me some curly hair recommendations. I dyed my hair, I fucked up my curls. Please send me some of your curly hair recommendations. What are some good products I can use, blah, blah, blah. And you guys came through. You guys sent me a bunch of recommendations. I tried everything. When I tell you guys I tried everything, I truly tried so many products. And after trying so many products, I can honestly say that I think I finally found the products that work best for my hair. One of these products is Olaplex, and I'm not sponsored. Just so you guys know, I'm not sponsored. But Olaplex truly made a huge difference in my hair. This whole hair routine that I'm about to show you guys really changed the game for me, and I'm sure it will change the game for a lot of you guys out there as well. But that was just a quick little backstory. Now let's get back into the video. Alright, so now that you guys know a little backstory of my hair, I'm going to show you guys how we are going to fix this mess in just a few quick, easy steps. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a little curl treatment with my hair. This is the Olaplex number 3, and it's the hair perfector. And what it does is it repairs and strengthens all hair types. So whether your hair is curly, straight, wavy, whatever the case may be, this is made to repair and strengthen your hair, make it softer, make it less frizzy, less dry. So this is amazing. Like I said, I haven't been using Olaplex for a very long time now. This is only going to be my 3rd time using it. But I could tell a difference right away after just the first time of using it, and this is not sponsored. I wish it was, honestly, but it's not. So when we damage our hair by coloring it or by straightening it a lot, that can cause breakage. And what this does is it basically takes all of those broken bonds and it repairs them. So you're supposed to use this before shampooing and conditioning your hair. You can use this up to 2 to 3 times a week, but I don't wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week. I only wash my hair once a week. So I will be using this once a week. You're supposed to apply it on damp, towel dried hair. So I'm about to wet my hair a little bit, and then you just apply a generous amount from the scalp to the ends until the hair is thoroughly saturated. You leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes or longer if desired. I consider my hair to be pretty dry and damaged, so I leave it on for like 30 minutes. Afterwards, you just rinse your hair and you shampoo it. They say for the best results, shampoo your hair with Olaplex number 4 and condition with Olaplex number 5. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just wet my hair, get it nice and damp, and once it's all wet, I'm going to detangle it so that this treatment can really work its way in my hair. Oh! Look at that sweat mark. Guys, it is so hot in this bathroom right now. All right, so now that my hair is nice and damp, I'm just going to detangle it a little bit. It is super hot in here.
Lego.
I just use this big brush to detangle my hair.
Original, Batman. Original Batman.
Alright, so now that my hair is fully detangled, I'm going to put this Olaplex number 3 treatment in my hair. So I'm just going to work this in my hair from the roots all the way to the ends. And after I'm done putting it in the section, I'm going to kind of make a little curl out of that section just so I know what part already has the product in it. So I'm going to use a generous amount for each section. The only downside to this Olaplex thing is that the bottles are very small. I feel like I'm going to run out very quick and I don't even have a lot of hair.
Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that feeling.
Alright, so it's been 30 minutes and my hair has dried up a little bit. The treatment has gotten a little hard in my hair. So the instructions on the back of this say to just shampoo and condition your hair as normal. So I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And just like the treatment that we just did, both the shampoo and the conditioner help to repair, strengthen, and nourish all hair types. I'm not going to show you guys how I wash my hair because I don't do anything special. I just wash this out, shampoo, wash out my shampoo, and then condition. I'll check back in with you guys once I'm done. Alright, so now that I've washed my hair, as you can see, my hair is still a little wet. So at this point, I start applying all the leave-in products that I use to kind of activate my curls. So the first product that I use is Olaplex number 6. This is the Bond Smoother, and this is a leave-in styling cream that reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects, which are 3 things that I definitely need. As you can see, my hair is pretty frizzy. After I wash my hair always dries kind of frizzy. So I apply a generous amount all throughout my hair.
You better hold on to your soul when the night it be late, yeah. You better hold on to your hoe when your vision get dirty, yeah.
And especially the back of my hair.
I'ma need me. All this faking betrayal, I seen it.
The back of my hair is usually the driest part. So I always have to remind myself to really put product back there. I use this Cream of Nature Shrinkage Defense Curling Jelly. This is for dry, dehydrated hair, so it's perfect for me. This is the formula. It's kind of like this jelly formula. I don't like to use too much of this because it kind of makes your hair a little hard. It kind of creates like a cast around your hair. This is really going to activate those curls for me. I apply it all throughout my hair like this. And what I like to do is, after I apply this curling jelly in my hair, I kind of scrunch up my hair. You can use a diffuser for this, but personally, I feel like when I diffuse my hair, it just makes it a little frizzy. I don't know if it's just me or maybe I don't know how to use a diffuser properly, but I like to use my hands as my diffuser, and I just kind of grab my hair and scrunch it up. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is what kind of gives me those curls. You can see the curls are starting to form. So this is, I feel like, the most important part of this step. Just whatever you use in your hair, just scrunch it up and create those curls with your fingers. So next, I'm going to apply this Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie from She Moisture. And honestly, the reason I use this is because it smells so good. Obviously, this is a curl enhancing smoothie, so it just helps give you those curls. I know some people section their hair and really put a lot of product in their hair, but I don't like my hair to, like I said, my hair is really thin, so I don't like to put too much product in my hair because that kind of weighs down my hair. So now the next product that I'm going to put in my hair before I leave it alone and just wait for it to air dry is Novex. So I know a lot of curly girls use this. This is a leave-in conditioner. So I just use about this much for my hair. And what I do is I mix in just a tiny bit of black castor oil. This is a Jamaican oil that helps strengthen your hair, rejuvenates, nourishes, and replenishes, whatever that means. I just heard that castor oil is really good for hair growth and just good for your hair overall. So what I do is I mix a little bit of this oil with this Novex that I just showed you guys. So just a little bit like this.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever.
Alright guys, so it's been about 3 hours and my hair is now completely dry, and this is what we're left with. As you can see, my curls are now way more defined and my hair is looking very full. It smells amazing, guys. I wish you guys could smell my hair and I wish you guys could touch it because it's super soft and bouncy. My hair is just overall looking a lot healthier and a lot less damaged and dry. So now that you guys have seen me do my hair treatment and you guys have seen the products that I use to wash and style my hair and how I do it, I do want to share some tips with you guys that I've been doing that I wish I knew years ago, but better late than never, right? So I'm going to share them with you guys. Okay, tip number 1, hair gummies. So these gummies are from Nature's Bounty. They're the hair, skin, and nail gummies with biotin. So you take 2 of these a day. I sometimes take about 4 because they're really good. They taste like any other strawberry gummies. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I never really believed in taking vitamins for your hair. I don't know why I never did it. But guys, this right here, this is tea. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and let me tell you, my hair has been growing. I'm not even kidding. Now that my hair is this lighter color, I can really tell by the roots that my hair has been growing. And for the longest time, my hair kind of stayed the same length. And now that I started using these gummies, I noticed that my hair is kind of getting longer, low-key. So I just get these at the pharmacy. I think it's like $20. It's not even expensive, so I would say try out these gummies, guys. Or if you're in the US, you can get these literally at any Walmart or Target. So yeah, this is tea. Don't sleep on these hair gummies. My second tip for you guys is sleeping with a bonnet. So this is a silk bonnet and I got mine from Tropic Girls. My friend Ashanti, she makes them. So I'll tag her right here for anybody who's interested in getting some silk bonnets. I never used to sleep with a bonnet on, but wearing a bonnet on your head when you sleep at night helps prevent friction that causes frizz. So I noticed that when I wear my bonnet, I wake up and my hair is not frizzy at all. And when I sleep without my bonnet, I wake up like a fucking crackhead. So this definitely helps prevent frizz and it just protects your hair overall. So if you don't sleep with a bonnet, I would say start doing it if you want to protect your curls. Tip number 3, my last tip for you guys is to try to stay away from heat. And I know for a fact you guys have heard this before, but if you really want your curls to be nice and healthy, you want to stay away from heat because as you guys know, heat does damage your hair. And the funny thing is, as we speak, I literally just made an appointment to go get my hair silk pressed tomorrow. So I'm not the best person to give you guys this advice, but in my defense, I haven't straightened my hair in a few months, so hopefully it doesn't damage my hair. But to all my curly girls and guys out there, just try to stay away from heat as much as you can. Oh, and really quick, another little tip. If you don't want to go out of your way and spend a lot of money on hair products, you can always make your own hair mask at home. I'll insert a really good one right here that you can make with things you probably already have in your kitchen. And I know for a fact that these really work. I personally just don't do it as often because I don't like to make a mess in my bathroom. But you can definitely try to make your own hair mask at home. And I promise it will make a difference in your hair as long as you stay consistent. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my curly hair routine and I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying my absolute best to stay consistent and post every single week, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my uploads. Bye guys!